Hey everyone, today from my kitchen I'm gonna show you how we can prepare crouton for soup. Okay, so what we need is the toast or loaf. You can just buy the white one, but I'm using the seeded toast, which is so yummy. It contains many seeds in it. So okay, so what I'm going to do, what you need to do is just cut the toast like so, small pieces, small squares. Okay. All right. So they have to be like this size, small squares. It's so yummy with all kind of soups. Okay. I'm gonna make these as well, so you can just make as much as you want. You can store them as well. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the grill. You can just put them in the oven or toast them in a saucepan with a little bit of olive oil or butter. It's up to you, but I like to put them in the oven, make them crispy. I'm gonna add on them like 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna add some salt, like 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. Just mix them a little bit like so, and then bake them in the oven between 7 to 10 minutes. So you have to keep checking them. Okay, sometimes they take less, depends, you know, the oven temperature. So I'm gonna put them on high heat and see you after that. Okay guys, this is the crouton. It's so crunchy and tastes so yummy. So I'm going to put them in a plate or bowl or anything. Just put them like so. Okay, so you can eat it with the soup. It's so yummy and so crunchy, especially with the olive oil. So here I prepared the soup, red lentil soup. It's so yummy and so delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna put here some. Oh, this is the soup. It's so delicious. You can just find the recipe in my channel. Just serve it like so. Oh, yummy. Look at this beautiful soup with the crouton. It's so yummy and so delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like this quick video and simple video. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and see you soon. Bye.